How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today is just going to be an update on the Doozers model 1960 Chevrolet pickup he sent me to build. He had painted the body on this. He asked me if I would like to have a body painted by him, and I said, well, heck yeah, I do. He is a heck of a painter. So he sent me the this kit right here. It's a 1960 Chevrolet with the go-kart. It's an AMT kit, and it's an awesome kit. And Doozer is a heck of a painter, so y'all need to he's a heck of a model builder, not just painter. I'm sorry, he does everything. He's one hell of a guy. And so if y'all ain't subscribed to him, please get over there and subscribe to him. With that being said, and too, let me first start off and thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my old subscribers and new subscribers, and anybody that's just joined or thinking about being a subscriber, I want to thank you. And two, I'm going to show what I've gotten done so far. And two, there is a model show in Fort Smith, Arkansas on the 24th of April. And I know a lot of y'all on here, you know, y'all live too far away, but any of the subscribers that subscribe to me that's from around Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, anywhere around in there, Texas, close, if y'all feel like coming up to the show, it's Saturday the 24th. It's going to be at the Hobbytown, USA in Fort Smith, Arkansas. And registration starts at 9 to 3. And I'll leave I'll take a picture of the flyer and put in this video here if anybody's interested. Okay, with that being said, let me show you what I've gotten done. Okay, this is what I've gotten done so far. Let me just move this out of the way. I painted and wired the engine up. I put just a little bit of black wash to make it look like oil on the engine. I got it wired up, got the distributor. I even got a copper line going to the fuel pump and the carburetor. Nothing major, but that's what I've gotten done so far. Got the dash. I don't know if y'all can see real good or not. Dash has been painted aluminum, chrome, and Doozer had already Dwayne, I mean not Doozer, Doozer's his channel. Dwayne had already put the decal in the dash and clear coated over it. You can see that. And then he painted the little eyebrows right here, and then the dash, and I put it together, and then I did all the chrome and silver on it. He even did the door cards. I don't know if you can see that. So I did the chrome pin on the door cards. I painted the seats. I painted the mat. Here's the chassis, kind of in a semi-gloss. I painted the exhaust steel with aluminum muffler. I painted the spare wheel. Got the shocks painted. And I'm not really going to dirty this up or nothing like that. The only thing I did was just a little bit of oil on the engine just to make it look like it's being used. Let me set this out of the way. And I think I've showed you already. I painted the hubcaps white. There you go. The hubcaps are painted white. And then I painted the Chevrolet in the back of the tailgate. You can see his paint job. That thing is just absolutely beautiful. And then what I've gotten done so far, I've got the chrome foil. You can see right there, I got the chrome foil. I painted black around the windows and then did the chrome pin. And then did the same thing on the front windshield. Trying to keep this in focus. Black, and then the chrome trim. Black wash the vents right there. You can see I did some detailing on the firewall. Got the battery in it. And then I used chrome foil for the door handles. and the vent window. And I haven't started on the go-kart yet. That's going to be next. I'm trying to decide what color to paint that go-kart. I don't know what to do on it yet. And then here's the grill. Got the Chevrolet done, black washed, headlights. And let me get my thing out here. I did a survey on this model and asked all y'all that subscribe to me and all my viewers and all my buddies on here, asked you what colors that that I should paint the bumper. Should I strip the bumper and paint it white because the grill is white and the roof is white, and you know, or should I leave it chrome? Well, here's the vote right here. I tallied it all up. So chrome is your winner. 23 people voted for chrome, 15 voted for white, and 2 said they didn't care. So 23 it is. Chrome bumpers it will be. See, that's how it works. That's a democracy for you right there. Okay, and then this is going to go out to Gavin Booth right here. He's been on me about all my models closing in on me. That every time he'd watch my video, that the models just keep piling up, and they're going to fall in on me. Well, I'm going to pause this real quick, and then I'm going to turn around here, and I'm going to show you, Gav. I've cleaned up my model room, and I've made room for my models. That way it's not closing in on me. Alright, Gav, you can see all them models that were stacked up all through there across that wall in the floor. They're all gone. You can see I got models on the shelf just shoved all the way to the top, 2-3 rows back there, just full of models. And then I stacked some up on this shelf up here. I don't know if you can see all them big scale kits that were just lined up that wall. I stacked them all up there. I think that's a bunch of 16 scale Revell kits and Revell Germany kits, and I think that's an 8 scale Jaguar up top I need to restore. But and then a couple of Intex 32 scale trucks. But and then here's my model desk. Here's the top. You know, I've got everything lined up there. I got models shoved underneath the desk. I got so much crap. I got my big 12 scale kits lined up here. You can see all my 12 scale. I think one of them's a 16 scale, that Heller kit, that Citron's a 16 scale, but everything up there's 12 scale. And then I got 12 scale just running down the side of my couple of big 12 scale Mini Coopers in there. 12 scale Lola, Ferrari, and then, well, and then that's a 20 scale BMW, but a couple little 32 scales. Here's some of my kits right here shoved in some of my vintage Johan kits that I've been acquiring. Other kits, more kits, and then my whole closet. I ain't even gonna open it all the way up, but every bit of that closet from top to bottom, both sides all the way down the sides, is nothing but models. I can't even open that closet door. It's so shoved full of models. So Gav, there you go, buddy. I've cleaned up, so my model room should stay clean. I've got this desk right here. I got my niece. I had her to paint this. She's 8 years old. She's painting on this kit right here. I don't know if you can see. It's the 1960 Ranchero. And she's going to take that to the model show Saturday. And there's the glass for the truck. I dipped it in that floor shine wax, or whatever you want to call it. So there you go. That's a tour of the model room, all cleaned up. And then that's not to mention my shelves and shelves just full of models. I ain't even gonna go walk through the house and show y'all those, but I got cabinets full of models. So, but that's it, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.